You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is m equals 7/33. Let's solve it step by step. Group all m terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 36m from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 7 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the m. Divide both sides by -33. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. And so the final result is m equals 7/33.